Let go of stress and find peace with this ocean-inspired guided meditation. Before we get started, don't forget to hit subscribe and tap the bell so you'll always catch our new meditations. Welcome, LuSHiners, to this guided meditation journey, a serene exploration of inner peace and relaxation. Take a moment to honor yourself for setting aside this time for your well-being. This is your sanctuary, a sacred space where you can let go of stress and tension, allowing yourself to sink into a state of profound tranquility. Find a comfortable position, whether sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with revitalizing air. And exhale fully, releasing any lingering tension. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. As you continue to breathe slowly and deeply, allow the soothing sound of waves to wash over you, calming your mind and soothing your spirit. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more and more present in this moment. Let go of any thoughts or distractions, allowing yourself to fully immerse in the gentle rhythm of your breath and the tranquil melody of the ocean. As you listen to the waves, you may notice thoughts and distractions arise in your mind. This is natural. Simply acknowledge them without judgment and gently guide your focus back to the sound of the waves, letting each wave carry you deeper into relaxation. Breathe in deeply, welcoming the cool, refreshing air into your body. And exhale fully, releasing any tension or stress. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, the gentle breeze on your face, as you allow yourself to be fully present in this moment. Now, as we begin to deepen your relaxation, I will count down from 5 to 0. With each number, feel yourself becoming more and more relaxed, letting go of all worries and cares until you reach a state of complete serenity. 5. Feel the tension melting away from your body, leaving you feeling light and free. 4. Allow the sound of the waves to soothe your mind, bringing you into a state of tranquil calmness. 3. Your muscles relax, your breath deepens, and your mind becomes still as you surrender to this moment of peace. 2. You are enveloped in a sense of profound tranquility, feeling at one with the universe and the gentle rhythm of the ocean. 1. Your body is deeply relaxed. Your mind is clear, and you are completely at ease. 0. Allow yourself to bask in this wonderful sense of relaxation. Letting the soothing sound of the waves continue to wash over you. Feel a wave of serenity spreading throughout your entire being. From the top of your head to the tips of your toes. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort, and with each breath, allow them to dissolve away, leaving you feeling lighter and more at peace. Visualize yourself surrounded by a soft, golden light emanating from the depths of your being. This light fills you with warmth and comfort, wrapping you in a cocoon of tranquility and love. With each inhale, imagine drawing in this healing light, replenishing your body, mind, and inner self. With each exhale, release any remaining tension or negativity, allowing it to dissipate into the air. Continue to breathe deeply and effortlessly, feeling yourself becoming more and more relaxed with each passing moment. Know that you are safe, you are supported, and you are deeply loved. Take a few moments to simply be, enjoying this state of deep relaxation and inner peace. When you are ready to return to your day, gently bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Taking a few deep breaths and slowly opening your eyes. Know that you can return to this place of peace and tranquility whenever you need. Carrying with you a sense of calm and serenity into every moment of your day. You are worthy of this peace, and it is always available to you. Thanks for meditating with us. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share this with someone who could use a little peace today.